You need the official WhatsApp to use this account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily fix the error which is being shown on your screen, that is you need the official WhatsApp to use this account on your WhatsApp. So if you are also facing such error, then first thing what you can do is simply head over to your Play Store, and under your Play Store just tap on this profile icon at the top right and just head over to your Play Product, and by default under your Play Product and just tap on the settings icon and make sure you disable these two options as it's by default turned on your device. So once you disable both of those options, try restarting your WhatsApp, and if it's still not working, then what you need to do is just head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings just click on apps and just locate the WhatsApp application from over here. So let me just locate my WhatsApp application, and once you do that, just make sure you click on this force stop, which will automatically stop if it's behaving incorrectly, and just click on this storage option from over here and make sure you clear your case and restart your WhatsApp application. And if it's still not working, then you might want to reinstall your WhatsApp application from your Google Play Store and reopen the application. And if it's still not working, then the final option you can do is simply head over to your Google Chrome browser and just head over to this website called Contact WhatsApp, and you will be land directly to this page where you will have to enter your phone number, your email address which you use to register, or in which you want to receive the message for your confirmation, and just write in your following issue over here and just click on next step, and the WhatsApp contact team will support and contact you within 24 hours. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.